Are you starting it?
Yeah, I started it. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl.
You want to do it?
Yes.
Is the video still on?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, it fucking hurt. But it's great. Was it at least amusing to watch? Just gonna stop.
Ooh, girl.
Just let it fall. It's funny that way.
Ooh,
I want to go again.
about that.
Okay.
I want it to actually go down. I want to try it with a pillow.
Wait, oh, damn.
Damn, nigga. Nigga stole my back. Nigga stole my back. Nigga stole my back. Oh, wait, I think that might be copyrighted. Oh, well.
Oh my god. My mattress could fit down this.
No, it wouldn't. They carried it up sideways. Uh-huh. Because it wasn't blown up yet.
Blown up? What?
Remember, it, like, got bigger because it's a memory foam thing?
I think that was good.
Okay. Wait. Stop before you move unnecessariness. Move. I don't know.
We can try. And if it doesn't work and it doesn't fit,
Nigga stole my back.
you guys can also watch me try to unnecessarily push it out of my room.
Ooh, girl. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I think you need wooden stairs to do this. We're both gonna have to go down that at once because we're not going to take that up and down multiple times. Ooh. Who cares if you disagree? Who died and made you king of anything? He likes that shit on toast.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
I can't disappoint whoever is going to watch this video if we don't do it now, though. Here, lift it up. Lift it up.
You can't have one hand, man.
Okay, here, just move it this way.
What are you doing?
I have an idea. Okay.
That.
Ow, don't lean on it.
Jeez, I'm not leaning on it, hooker.
Shit.
Ooh, girl. What the fuck are you doing, you limp dick?
Oh.
Push it this way some.
I win.
Oh no, it does not go on the stairs.
Yes, it does.
No, it's off the stairs. It's on the stairs.
Phone. You just go stay. Shouldn't make sure it doesn't fall.
Do you see me?
No. You guys don't get to watch this.
Wait, we can hold it.
No, because if we fall, here, I'll record you and then I'll drag it back up.
Ooh, girl.
Is it?
God, what if the Jasons and Wallaces came over?
They went too.
Oh.
Okay, just climb up. Okay.
Hold on to this in case you start to fall, though. Because you don't need to get hurt.
Oh my god.
I think we just made a slide. We should get the second mattress over here.
No. You don't need to move that much shit.
Okay. This is fun.
Do you have any Tylenol?
I don't know. Go look in the Tylenol cabinet. We're gonna leave for now.